When your Sceptre monitor won't turn on, start with basic power diagnostics. First, verify the monitor is plugged into a working wall outlet. Next, inspect the power cable for any visible damage. Look for cuts, kinks, or exposed wires that could prevent proper power delivery. If your monitor uses an external power adapter, this is often the culprit. Check that the adapter is properly connected and functioning, as faulty adapters are a common cause of power failure. Finally, examine the diagnostic indicators. The power LED behavior tells you exactly what type of failure you're dealing with. These diagnostic steps will help you identify whether you're dealing with a power supply issue, display failure, or connection problem, guiding you toward the appropriate solution. Start troubleshooting by cycling through all input sources on your monitor. Test with different devices like laptops, gaming consoles, or desktop computers to isolate whether the issue is with your monitor or the connected device. Next, test different cable types to rule out cable issues. Try HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort cables. Use known working cables when possible, as faulty cables are a common cause of display problems. If you can see a partial image or access the monitor's on-screen display menu, attempt a factory reset. This can resolve display settings that may be causing the issue. For experienced users only, you can visually inspect internal components. Look for bulging or leaking capacitors, burn marks on circuit boards, or loose connections. This requires opening the monitor, so proceed with caution. Sceptre has extended standard warranties from 1 to 3 years on select models due to power-related issues. Check your warranty status before attempting repairs, as professional service may be covered. According to tech support specialists, 60% of seemingly dead Sceptre monitors can be resolved with basic troubleshooting steps. This makes it worthwhile to try these solutions before considering replacement.